Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bamboo Loans Review My Usage Experience. Bamboo Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare different loan offers from various lenders. Its main purpose is to help users find the best personal loan options based on their individual needs and financial situations. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, filtering options, and potentially lender reviews. Their website provides details on the specific features and functionalities. Their website highlights ease of use and pricing transparency. They emphasize helping users avoid high interest rates by providing a centralized comparison tool. They claim to offer a wide range of loan types and lenders to choose from, increasing the likelihood of finding a suitable option. Availability is readily accessible via their website. You just need to input your basic financial information to begin your search. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bamboo Loans Review My Usage Experience. I needed a personal loan to consolidate some debt, and Bamboo Loans was recommended by a friend. Getting started was a breeze. The website is clean and intuitive. The onboarding process involved answering a few simple questions about my credit score, desired loan amount, and repayment period. I really appreciated how clearly the different loan options were presented. I could easily filter results based on interest rates, loan terms, and lender ratings. I found several offers that matched my needs, and the comparison tool made it easy to pinpoint the best option for me. The entire process, from initial search to selecting a loan, took less than an hour. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare APRs and fees side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but it wasn't a significant issue for me as I primarily used it on my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Bamboo Loans Review. It saved me considerable time and effort in finding a competitive loan, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a personal loan. That's my overview of Bamboo Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.